This rain. It's just not stopping, Professor.
The atmospheric models are unprecedented, Mayor. A sudden, extreme shift.
Sector Gamma, report. Water levels are critical here. Repeat, critical.
The structural integrity is failing faster than projected. We must initiate Phase 3 evacuations immediately.
The water is rising too fast!
We have to get to higher ground. Help! Hurry! The water is rising!
Help us up! We can't stay here!
Grab my hand, quick!
We need all hands on deck. Initiate emergency protocols immediately.
We have to evacuate the remaining sectors now.
The water levels are still rising, Mayor.
My teams are ready to deploy the rescue boats.
The axle needs to connect to the differential, otherwise the torque is all wrong. If I use the blue pin here, it should lock.
Focus on the high-rise apartments. Use the inflatable rafts. Move!
The pressure on the city's defenses. It's beyond anything we've ever predicted.
We are going to be stuck here forever!
My car is completely ruined!
Just keep moving, the water is rising!
We need more support on the left flank now.
It's already seeping through the center, Captain.
To all citizens, please remain calm. Seek higher ground. Our emergency services are working tirelessly.
We'll get you so we're safe, little one. Just hold tight.
The water is rising faster than projected.
We're initiating Phase 2 evacuation. Send all units to the east entrance.
As you can see, the structural integrity at the dam is failing. We have to divert the flow immediately.
All right, Professor. Mobilize the northern rescue teams now. We must prioritize the hospital district. Get all available boats rerouted there.
The saturation point is nearing, gentlemen. Our infrastructure cannot sustain this indefinitely.
Watch the debris on the left. Secure the stretcher now. Help me, please, hurry.
Grab my hand, quickly now!
Thank you. Is anyone else coming?
Help! We're trapped over here.
Help! Please, help me!
Grab the pulse, sir. We've got you. Just reach out and hold on tight. Ensure all essential supplies are moved to upper floors. Anticipate prolonged isolation.
The dam, Mayor. It's taking the full brunt of the deluge. Our models show a critical threshold.
Steady, everyone. We'll get you all to safety. We won't give up on this city. Not on our watch.
Wow! It's really working! Oh dear. The northern spillway! It's compromised!
Evacuate the lower levels now. The dam is unstable. Look out! It's collapsing! Can we reinforce it? What are our options, Professor?
Yeah. Aha! It's collapsing! We have minutes, not hours! The city will be swept away!
We won't let that happen! We fight until the very end!
My hydro diverter! It can redirect massive water flows away from the dam!
A kid built it? A kid built this? It just might be crazy enough to work. This is our last chance. Captain Studs, assemble your fastest boat team. This mission is critical. Stay focused, stay safe. Let's save our city.
Sir! Yes, ma'am!
Rerouting auxiliary overflow, but the hydro pressure is unstable. We have 4 to 5 minutes before critical failure. It's escalating too quickly.
Brace yourselves! The current is getting stronger up ahead! Keep that device steady! The pressure's rising! Get that diverter online now! We're clear on the far side!
Mayor, we're in position. Device is ready for activation.
The dam, it's at its absolute limit! Now, Finn, now!
It's working! It's actually working, Professor!
Quiet congratulations, Mayor.
Mayor, the immediate threat is contained. Initiating dam reinforcement protocols.
It's working! The city is saved from the immediate catastrophe.
Yeah, that'll hold.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3!
You got it! Keep pushing! We're almost clear!
Lego City has faced its greatest challenge, and together, we will rise again, stronger. All right, team, let's get this cleared. Every brick counts.
Interesting. If we divert the flow here, it should reduce pressure on the main dam.
Yes, this is the solution.
We faced the storm, and we stood together.
You're all right, kid. A true Lego City hero.